इकरमा मकतब, इकरमा मकतब हमारा बरकते कुरान है।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Assalamu alaikum. Good morning all of you. Respected President, Honorable Chief Guest, and my most beloved teachers and keen friends of Madrasa. Today we have gathered here to celebrate Republic Day, 26th of January 2020. Being an Indian, it's our duty to celebrate the most important festival of our country. As our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam preached us that the place where you are living, be loyal to that and be patriotic to your motherland. On 26 Jan 1950, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar wrote the Constitution of India for the betterment of our nation. Having got freedom by lots of struggle and hard work, it was necessary to reunite and rejoin Indians by a very specific bonding of laws and norms, and the credit goes to the head of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. We, the Indians, salute to the freedom fighters who lost their life for the sake of nation, who sacrificed their all wishes for their motherland and became martyrs forever. My dear friends, innumerable flowers are produced daily in this world, but the flowers which are bestowed on tombs or graves or gifted become important. In the same way, innumerable people are born daily in this world, but the people who sacrifice their life for their motherland become great. And we salute to all the great freedom fighters. My dear friends, India is a country of unity in diversity. Unity in diversity, which is a very unique speciality of India, in which many different religions live together in a very lovely interaction, like an ecosystem of environment. It's a country of very lovely interaction, brotherhood between Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, and all different religions. My dear friends, as in an ecosystem, if any one organism is disturbed, whole ecosystem is disturbed. In the same way, in India, if any one religion is perplexed, whole nation would be perplexed. I wish you all Indians a very happy and prosperous life on this occasion, and on behalf of my madrasa, Hazrat Ikrama Raziyallahu Ta'ala and management. May Allah bestow all His blessings and boons to you, and which you are desirous of. Be united, be blessed. Be proud to be an Indian. चमन में इख्तिलात रंगो बू से बात बनती है, चमन में इख्तिलात रंगो बू से बात बनती है, तुम ही तुम हो तो क्या तुम हो, हम ही हम हैं तो क्या हम हैं। जज़ाकल्लाह।